Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another video. And first of all, pasensya na kagad sa boses ko. Nasobrahan yata kami sa kakatawa kagabi. And today, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga units na pinagstayan namin dito sa Azure North. And basically we rented 2 units. The first one is this. And then pakita ko rin sa inyo yung isang mas kilala na unit which is under Team Canlas TV. So yung isang unit na rentahan namin is yung Casa Canlas 1. So if you're familiar with TCTV or Team Canlas TV, meron silang dalawang properties dito sa Azure North. So they have Casa Canlas 1 and Casa Canlas 2. So yung narentahan namin is yung Casa Canlas 1. Unfortunately, since dalawa yung unit na gusto naming rentahan, unfortunately yung Casa Canlas 2 is also occupied kagabi. So yung time na nandito kami. Pero let me start showing you this unit na I think nasa friend yata ni camera woman. So tara, samahan nyo ako, check natin to, and then check din natin yung amenities nila sa baba, yung man-made pool. Ayan, so tara, samahan nyo ako. Pasensya na again, medyo nasobrahan lang kagabi. Alright, so pagpasok nyo ng unit, ito yung sink. Pwede mo kayong magluto. I think they have, actually hindi ko pa na-open, and meron naman silang mga gamit. Ayan, so they have the cooking utensils, kitchenwares, anything that you may need. Ayan, so definitely kailangan i-on, light cooking lang ang pwede. And then they also have yung ref, and then microwave, and may kettle then if you want to have coffee. And pasensya na mga gamit ko nandyan. Of course, you have your sofa bed. Ayan. So in case na tatlo kayo, or sabi natin 2 kids dito tapos 2 adults, pwede dyan. Ayan, and then you have your entertainment set here dito, and of course the cabinet or closet. And then you have your air conditioning unit. Yun lang, comment ko dito, yung air conditioning unit kasi ang problem nito is ito, kaya siya nakaganito, ginawa ko na lang yan kasi kapag ka nakababayan, so yung drape nahaharangan yung yung vent, so hindi lalabas yung lamig, kaya no choice ka. Kailangan mo iaangat talaga yung mga drapes. Ayan, mga ganyan. So also they have the balcony. Ayan ang balcony natin dito. Alright, so yun lang, napakasimple ng ng unit. And dito sa entertainment system nila, sorry, dito yung mga towels. Lagay muna natin dito. Yan. So they have chessboards. Yan. They have the wooden chess checker set. Tapos may Uno. Tapos may ube halay. Akin to, ube halay. Tapos they have the PS4. Ayan, ma'am, ito nga pala. Ma'am and sir, yung may-ari ng unit, just to give you an advice or a feedback rather, yung kable po ng PlayStation ninyo, I mean yung charger is hindi na gumagana. Well, gumagana, pero kailangan mo siyang hanapan ng pwesto. So I think nakapag-charge naman na maayos, pero kung sakaling habang gamit mo siya, kung gusto mo siyang chine-charge, hindi siya nagana. So they also have the speaker, and then the mic, and then the television. This is a smart TV. So ayan, dito sa baba wala naman laman. Oops, sorry. And then nandito yung mga saksakan. Ayan. So that's the first unit. Punta natin yung kabila, which is yung Casa Canlas number 1. Alright, ito yung sa Team Canlas, yung Casa Canlas. So CR, uy, maliwanag. Sorry, yan yung CR nila. And meron din silang induction. Tapos ito, of course, free of usage naman yan. Kung sakaling kulang, I think meron pa dito. Ayan. Again, light cooking lang ang pwede. Just make sure na maayos lang din yung mga gamit. And then, also have water. Tapos, yung mga plates. Ayan, nag-ayos lang kami. Then you have your bed. Then, ayun yung ano. Hindi pala kita masyado. Anyway, ayan, sa Team Canlas na logo, and then side table. Ba't nagkaalisan kayo bigla? Ayan, meron din silang ano, what do you call this, sofa bed. So again, 2 persons, probably single, or kung bata, kasyang-kasya dalawa dito. Then you have your aircon. And then dito sa entertainment space, you have your PlayStation, you have your speaker and mic. Mic yan. Tama, mic. And then you have Monopolies or board games, everything. And then sa labas, wait lang. Ito yung labas. Oops. And so again, I think it's about 4 or 6 square meters na veranda, or what do you call this? Parang terrace or something. I can't remember. Pero yan, you have your tables, and then of course the beautiful view of Arayat. Ayan, yung Arayat Mountain. Then you have your SM City Pampanga, Robinsons Pampanga, and Lex. Ayan, and Lex. Alright. So, ayan yung sa Casa Canlas number 1. Siyempre, hindi natin ma-feature yung Casa Canlas number 2. At hindi naman natin siya narentahan. Pero everything here at Casa Canlas, everything's good. Aircon is good. Mayroon silang complimentary drinks, mayroon complimentary na coffee. Ayun. Then you also have your kitchen utensils and mga plato, spoon and fork. Yan, good yung Casa Canlas, and sobrang comfy matulog dito sa loob. Ito na yung free breakfast ng Team Canlas. So merong egg. Actually na to, hindi to yung ito lang talaga yung mga binibigay. So iba-iba, depende sa kung anong available. So may bologna, hot dogs, ano to, parang meatloaf or ano, parang spam. Tapos ito, parang meatloaf, Shanghai burger, dilis, tas danggit. Yan, tas egg, tapos Java rice yata to, or fried rice. Ayun, marami siya. Ito yung usual na na serving ng pang 3 tao siguro ito. Yan, kain muna. Okay guys, so nandito tayo sa amenity area. So nandito yung man-made beach, pati yung pool, and ito sa may right side natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, so that's the beach, that's the man-made beach and the pool. Tapos yung establishment na nandun is the gym. And para makagamit kayo nung amenities, meron siyang payment, I think 200 pesos yata. And then doon sa paggamit naman nung swimming pool and the beach, they have shifts. So lagay na lang natin dito kung ano yung mga times para doon sa shifts ng paggamit ng nung pool. And ang payment ng 200 is per shift. Hindi siya yung parang per day. So per shift siya. So matapos yung first shift, sabihin natin for example 7 to 11, and then syempre alis kayo ng 11 o'clock, and then sabihin natin mag-resume siya ng 2 in the afternoon for example lang, no? Yung pagbabalik kayo doon, magbabayad ulit kayo ng 200. So ganun siya. I think sa gym, ganun, I'm not sure kasi hindi ko na natanong, pero there's a gym, may mga gumagamit din. So I'm just not sure kung talagang mga residents dito yon or pwede rin gumamit yung mga visitors. Sa pool naman, merong mga proper attires. So just make sure that if you're going or if you're planning to stay here as a visitor, mga Airbnb or whatnot, and then planning to use the pool, just make sure to bring your own proper attires. Yan, lalagyan natin dito yung proper attires, and of course follow their rules. They have the do's and don'ts. Alright,
So, ayun. Check out nyo na lang yung ibang details. You can visit their website or rather their Facebook pages for more information.
Yung pala, no, share ko lang sa inyo na kapag magdadala kayo ng sasakyan, tapos dito rin kayo magpa-park, may bayad yung parking. Sa amin, 350 yung charge sa amin for overnight parking, which is okay lang naman. Yun lang, ang pinaka-challenge doon is yung parking spaces. I mean, yung daanan, medyo nahirapan din ako na dumaan, especially yung pinagparkan kasi namin is sa level 3. Now, syempre, 2 flights yung yung iangat from ground, no. Medyo challenging yung pagpasok doon sa daanan ng sasakyan. So, be mindful na lang doon sa mga magdadala ng sasakyan. Make sure na yung magdadrive is fully aware doon sa kotse, yung especially the width. Tapos, kung visitor kayo, make sure na sabihan nyo rin yung pag-i-stayan ninyo, kung sino yung may-ari, para bibigay kasi nila yung details ng sasakyan dun sa guard sa baba. Yun guys, so balik na tayo dito sa pinagstayan natin na unit. By the way, yung unit na pinagstayan namin is dito sa 26th floor. Facing hindi ko excuse me. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung facing nun. So, anyway, itong room na pinagstay namin, it's actually a good room, to be honest, if you are the one who's really living here. Kumbaga, personal use talaga. Kumbaga, ikaw may-ari, personal use mo. So, kasi I've been to several Airbnbs na rin naman na mga units sa Tagaytay, sa Tagaytay ulit. Tapos I think sa Bataan yata yung iba, sa iba rin, sa Davao, sa Jensen, yung mga ganun. Most of the time na mga Airbnbs na narerentahan namin, especially if yung Airbnb is a hotel like this, or condo like this, yung parang talaga siya, it's really designed, kumbaga, for business use. Tapos yung yung interior designing, talagang alam mo yung pabonggahan talaga. This one has the basics. It has the basics. Why? For example, yan. So yan, nandyan sa may harap natin. Ayos naman, ganda yung yung background. You have the mirror background, you have parang floating TV, yung effect. And then you have your PlayStation 4, you have your speakers, you have your games. And then eto, yung what do you call this? Sofa bed. Yan. Hindi siya pangit. As in maayos, maganda. Excuse me. Maganda siya kung tutuusin. It's just it's plain. Just for me, It's just for me. Lang, parang honest opinion lang, or honest feedback. Maganda talaga siya kung sa'yo. Pero kung papagamit mo sa iba, or it's gonna be for business, yun nga. So, parang medyo nakukulangan lang ako. But then again, for the price of December ngayon, nakuha namin to na 3,000 per night. Tapos, free breakfast. And, yeah, yun pala yan. May free breakfast lang. Yun din pala, isa pa, walang complimentary drinks like water, walang complimentary powdered drinks like coffee. As in, yung unit lang siya. So, we don't hate it. If ever na babalik kami dito, tapos dito ulit kami mag-i-stay sa may Azure, and then this is available at wala nang ibang available, we'll definitely rent this one again. Kung talagang tutulugan mo lang naman. Pero if you're going to do staycation, like let's say hindi ka naman talaga lalabas, gusto mo yung parang you have everything, Netflix, chill, PlayStation, everything. Yun pa pala, by the way, yun lang, medyo nakukulangan ako sa internet connection. It's Converge, so medyo may issue talaga yung Converge. I'm just not sure. Of course, I haven't tried the other units naman. So, ayun lang. I mean, personal opinion lang naman siya based on what I experience using this unit. And eto lang.
So kapag medyo malikot ka matulog, ayan yung maririnig mo. Alright, so ayan bawat galaw medyo natunog yung yung higaan. Tapos yung wall pagka tumatama. Yun lang hindi mo literally bothering, pero some things na probably the owner will be able to improve on for this one. Of course, we're gonna give them our feedback as well. Para sana sa susunod, hindi na nakakatakot na parang magigiba yung yung higaan. Ayun lang guys, so yun yung natin, yung impressions natin about the two rooms, yung room ng Casa Canlas, which is this one, and then the other one yung sa friend nila Miss Marie. And both are actually good. This is definitely for business. The other one is most likely for personal use. So medyo plain, but then again, for the price point itself, okay pa rin. So again, if you're gonna go here sa San Fernando and gusto niyo magstay dito sa Casa Canlas, might as well send a message to TCTV or Team Canlas TV. You can search for their page sa Facebook. Lagay din natin dito. And check nyo na kasi nagkakaubusan talaga ng availability dito sa may Azure North. And ayun, okay yung stay namin dito. So again, thank you for watching this video. And hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell para updated ka na rin sa lahat ng videos natin sa mga susunod. Okay? So tara, kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na mga vlogs natin. See you again. Peace out. Bye.